अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की जो हमारी वीडियो है वो जिस टॉपिक पे वो टॉपिक है विलान इन CISCO स्विच। तो सिंपली सर्च के आइकन पे क्लिक कर लेते हैं और यहाँ पे टाइप करते हैं हाउ टू क्रिएट विलान इन CISCO स्विच। तो मैं ये वेबसाइट ओपन कर लेती हूँ। सर्च पे क्लिक कर ले, यहाँ इसके रिलेटेड यूट्यूब वीडियो ओपन होगी। आगे सर्चेज हैं हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर विलान ऑन दी कैटलिस्ट स्विचेस। तो यहाँ पे आगे चलते हैं कॉन्फ़िगरिंग विलान्स ऑन CISCO स्विचेस। तो मैं ये वेबसाइट ओपन कर लेती हूँ इस टॉपिक के रिलेटेड। तो ये ओपन हो चुके। वी हैव बिफोर रिटन अबाउट विलान्स एंड व्हाट दे कैन डू. As a concept, this article will focus on configuring VLANs on CISCO switches. We will look at each command necessary to configure the topology below. If this topology looks familiar, it is because you saw it in the article which described how VLAN operated on a conceptual level. We will first look at what goes into configuring the access ports in the topology above, followed by what goes into configuring the trunk port. Then we will look at some verification and how command to validate what is configured. Finally, we will look at the default configuration for a switch port so we know our starting point when we are applying the command. We discuss content configuring VLANs on CISCO switch. आगे एक्सेस पोर्ट है एंड एक्सेस पोर्ट इज़ अ स्विच पोर्ट दैट इज़ member of only one VLAN. There are two parts to configuring an access port. Creating the VLAN is the switch's VLAN database and assigning the switch port to a VLAN. Creating the VLAN is the VLAN database before a switch will accept or forward traffic for a VLAN. The VLAN must exist in the switch's VLAN database. Adding a VLAN to the VLAN database require only one command. From this point, you can also optionally name the VLAN will not explicitly necessary for traffic to follow. It is best practice to provide a name for each VLAN. This will make the VLAN easier to identify. To name a VLAN simple, use the name command directly after creating it. For VLAN 20, we will create and name the VLAN on switch X, accessing the switch port to a VLAN. Now that the VLAN is in the VLAN database, we can configure a switch port to be access port for a particular VLAN. There are two commands within the interface configuration mode for this step. The switch port mode access command sets the port as an access port as the switch port access VLAN command designates the port as a member of VLAN 10. Some version of CISCO switches automatically create the VLAN in the VLAN database when you assign an access port to a VLAN. However, it is recommended that you depend on this. Some switches will do it, some will not. Report any errors, leaving you confused as to why traffic might not be following. Moreover, this create the VLAN with a generic name. The name for VLAN 30 above defaults to VLAN 0030, which is not very helpful. As such, we always recommend it to create and name a VLAN before assigning it anywhere you happen to forget to name it. First, you can always update the name of a VLAN is that database after the fact. In summary, the two steps to configuration as access port: create and optionally name the VLAN, set a switch port as an access port and designate it as a member of a VLAN. Both steps will also to be accomplished for each VLAN and switch port on switchy. First, we will create and name each VLAN. तो आगे ये इसकी सारी एग्जांपल्स हैं। यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ट्रंक पोर्ट्स हैं, नेटिव VLAN, अलाउड VLAN लिस्ट। तो काफ़ी डिटेल में है ये। आगे इसके रिलेटेड और भी काफ़ी वेबसाइट्स हैं, वो भी आप विज़िट कर सकते हैं, यूट्यूब वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं। तो ये हमारा आज का टॉपिक था। तो आई होप मेरी ये वीडियो टॉपिक आपको अच्छा लगा होगा और समझ आ गई होगी। सो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू सो मच एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।